They say plastic is finished, a relic of a bygone era. They say it's outdated, a problem we need to solve and leave behind. They say it will be replaced by newer, more advanced materials. But what if they're missing the bigger picture? Because in 2026, the reality is this. Plastic is not just surviving, it's thriving. It is everywhere, integrated so deeply into our lives that we barely notice it. From the cars we drive, where it makes up nearly half the vehicle's volume, to the phones in our hands, enabling their sleek, lightweight design, from hospitals where it forms the backbone of sterile, life-saving equipment, to the advanced electronics and renewable energy systems that power our future. Plastic is still building the modern world, so why hasn't it been replaced? The first reason is simple. No other material can match its design freedom. Plastic can be molded into almost any shape imaginable. It can form complex curves, intricate internal ribs for strength, integrated snap fits that eliminate screws, and even living hinges that can flex millions of times without breaking, all in a single automated step. Think about what this replaces: an assembly that might require 5, 10, or even 20 metal parts, each needing to be stamped, machined, welded, and fastened together, can often be consolidated into one elegant plastic component. This reduces weight, cuts assembly time, and eliminates potential points of failure. This level of part integration and design flexibility simply doesn't exist anywhere else. Then comes the power of mass production. Once a high-precision steel mold is created, plastic manufacturing enters a league of its own. Thousands, millions, even billions of identical parts can be produced with incredible speed. Cycle times are measured in seconds, not minutes, and every single part maintains the same tolerances. As production volume climbs, the cost per part plummets while the quality remains flawlessly consistent. For any product made at scale, this economic advantage is almost impossible to beat. Plastic is also incredibly lightweight. Compared to metals like steel or aluminum, an equivalent plastic part can be 50 to 70% lighter. In cars, this translates directly to better fuel efficiency. In electric vehicles, it means longer battery range, the single most important metric for drivers. In a world obsessed with efficiency and performance, reducing weight is no longer optional, it's essential, and plastic makes it possible. Another superpower is the sheer variety of materials. Saying you use plastic is like saying you cook with food. And plastic is not a single material, it's a universe of polymers, each with unique properties. ABS for impact strength, polycarbonate for toughness and clarity, polypropylene for chemical resistance, nylon for low friction gears, PEEK for high temperature aerospace applications. Each one is precisely engineered for specific demands, whether it's strength, flexibility, heat resistance, electrical insulation, or optical clarity. This gives engineers a massive toolbox, one core manufacturing process with endless material possibilities. Nowhere is this more critical than in healthcare and safety. Single-use sterile plastic is the foundation of modern infection control. Disposable syringes, IV sets, ventilator components, biocompatible medical housings, and vital electrical insulation. Without the reliability and sterility of plastic, modern healthcare would be unimaginable. It protects lives every single day. And despite what many believe, plastic is not standing still. It is evolving, driven by the need for greater sustainability. We're seeing huge advancements in recycled plastics, creating a circular economy for materials, the rise of bio-based plastics derived from renewable resources like corn and sugarcane, and smarter product designs engineered from the start for easy disassembly and recycling. The future is not no plastic, the future is better plastic used in better systems, because plastic itself is not the enemy, it is a material. The pollution problem comes from a human problem, poor waste management, and a throwaway culture. When designed, used, and recovered responsibly, plastic often has a lower carbon footprint across its life cycle than heavier alternatives like glass or metal, thanks to lower energy use in production and transport. The real challenge is not replacing plastic, it's building the intelligent systems to manage it correctly. So in 2026, plastic remains the undisputed king of manufacturing, not because it's a lazy or cheap shortcut, not because it's easy. Mastering it requires deep engineering expertise. It wins because it is smart, adaptable, lightweight, and efficient. It wins because it is constantly improving to meet the challenges of tomorrow. The world isn't moving away from plastic, it's moving toward better plastic and better systems to harness its incredible potential. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. Until next time, bye.